Once upon a time, nestled in a lush valley surrounded by towering mountains, lay two neighboring villages, Solaria and Lunaria. Though separated by a mere river, their histories and cultures diverged greatly. Solaria, bathed in sunlight year-round, was known for its vibrant crops and cheerful inhabitants. Lunaria, in contrast, lay in perpetual twilight, its people accustomed to the mysterious glow of the moon, which cast an ethereal light over their village. Solaria thrived on agriculture, their fields teeming with golden wheat and colorful vegetables. The villagers celebrated the sun's bounty with festivals filled with music, dance, and feasts. The Solarians were open and welcoming, often hosting travelers and sharing their prosperity. They believed their sunny disposition and hard work were the keys to their success, fostering a strong sense of community and cooperation. Lunaria, shrouded in darkness, found beauty in the night. Their village was renowned for its artisans, who created exquisite works of art and intricate crafts under the moon's gentle glow. The Lunarians were more reserved, valuing introspection and quiet reflection. They held nightly gatherings where stories and wisdom were passed down through generations, creating a rich tapestry of folklore and tradition. Despite their differences, the two villages maintained a respectful distance, each admiring the other's way of life from afar. However, a great drought struck the valley, threatening the well-being of both Solaria and Lunaria. The river that sustained them began to dry up, and with it, the lifeblood of their villages. For the first time, the villagers of Solaria and Lunaria faced a common enemy that neither could defeat alone. Realizing the severity of their plight, the leaders of both villages decided to meet. Under the ancient oak tree that stood between their lands, they discussed how they might help each other. The Solarians offered their knowledge of agriculture to help the Lunarians cultivate crops that could survive in the twilight. In return, the Lunarians shared their expertise in water conservation and their vast knowledge of plants that thrived in low light, which could benefit Solaria during the drought. Working together, the villagers combined their strengths. Solaria's fields began to yield new, resilient crops, and Lunaria's artisans found inspiration in the daylight, creating new art forms that attracted visitors from afar. The once parched river flowed again, replenished by their collective efforts. Through their collaboration, Solaria and Lunaria not only survived the drought but also forged a bond that would ensure their mutual prosperity for generations to come.